have to go run down to the store really quick. Let me slap this mess on and go. Because sometimes ain't nobody got time to be laying baby hairs or trying to make sure the lace blends. And with this wig, you don't have to have time. I'm in love. Hey, my name is Haley Marie and welcome to or back to my channel. Today, we are going to be doing a wig unboxing / review type deal for the Outre Crush in T2425. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into that. So this is Outre Perfect Hairline Wig in Crush, and as you can see, the model's wearing like a 613. I'm not a huge fan of that color, so that's why I didn't get it. Anyways, so about the wig, here's what the back of the box is looking like. Just some information about the wig. We have the natural parting. It's 13 by 6. It's a 13 by 6 lace front synthetic wig. That's wild. It's already pre-plucked. As you can see in the picture, it says it has baby hairs on the front. It says no plucking required. We'll see about that one, because you don't know how these wigs be looking sometimes. Elastic band. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead and take her out of the package and see what's going on here. Okay, here's what she's looking like right out of the bag, right out of the box. I love this. Looks like a loose, deep wave. Cute. Let's go ahead and take a look at the lace. This is what she's looking like on the inside. As you can see, it's definitely a 13 by 6. Look at how deep that lace goes, you guys. That is so beautiful. And then look at, you can already see how well the baby hairs look through the lace. Looks nice. The hair is pretty soft, I'm not getting any shedding so far, so she's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Let's go ahead and try her on. See what's going on here. Okay, so I finally got her on. Honestly, you guys, I'm in love with this color. Like, a word. This looks really good. Okay, so the parting space looks like this. I guess I could put on my lighter wig cap. Never mind. I don't have a lighter wig cap. Okay, so this is what the parting space is looking like. You can't really see it too well because I didn't put any powder in there, but it looks phenomenal. Like, it looks so good, you guys. Here, let me put some powder in this bitch. Hold on. Okay, so I hope you guys can see that better, but it looks pretty good to me. I'm already in love. The hairline. You guys, the hairline is everything. There's already like little wispies going on. Little wispy baby hairs. I mean, they're long, but they look so good and natural. What the heck? Wow, that looks awesome. Yeah, this is how she's looking. Super duper long. In love. No shedding. I'm getting no shedding right now. No tangling. I'm motherfucking in love right now. The hair is not as soft as I want it to be, but as long as it doesn't shed and tangle, I'm really not complaining. Wow, look at that parting space, you guys. I wish I'd gotten this wig earlier. Y'all should definitely go pick this bad boy up. Wow. This wig is amazing. No shedding, no tangling. This hair is voluminous and thick, no tracks. Well, I can't feel any tracks, and that is what matters. Can't see no tracks. Like, it's amazing. Wow. So good, you guys. How in the heck? Wow. Motherfucking Outre is out here doing big things, you guys. Look at this color blend too, like. And then it has like the red in there. Wow. I think I'm in love. This is so far my favorite wig I have ever opened, ever owned, ever anything ever. Obviously, like, my mind might change in the next couple of weeks, and I'm gonna let you guys know. But as for right now, this bad boy is it. I might have to get this hair in multiple colors. How many colors does this hair come in? The box doesn't say, but wow, you guys, that looks so good. I'm in a state of disbelief right now. Looks so good. Also, I'm definitely gonna cut this like I cut all of my wigs because I think this is insanely long. I'm actually gonna do that right now. Okay, so this is how she's looking. I haven't glued anything down or really done anything to it. All I did was cut the lace off. I'm loving the little wispies like right here. That is just so awesome. Okay, so far my only problem is that I have like super sideburns going on, and it doesn't really go down enough for me. But you know, obviously you can always just disguise that. Also, my hairline is like, I have the little hairline to eyebrow connection going on here, and I'll have to put some baby hair on top of that. But other than that, this wig, you guys, is just phenomenal. Look at that parting. Wow, I'm in love. In love. Let's see. So this is her as a middle part. Super cute. Oh, word. Wow. We can do, what do you call this? The flip over. Look at how good that looks, you guys. Nothing. I've done nothing to it. Oh, wow. Honestly, the box says it's like red or something. The 425 is like a reddish color, but you guys, this hair is purple. Purple. It's like burgundy. So if you plan on purchasing this hair, just understand, to me in the video and in real life, it looks purple. So right now I have mostly natural sunlight. I'm standing like right in front of a window, and this is the real color. So it's purple all the way. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. I don't think I'm gonna do anything to this hair, you guys. This is gonna be my fucking slap it on and go wig. That's what this is gonna be. Like, oh wow, I have to go run down to the store really quick. Let me slap this mess on and go. Because sometimes ain't nobody got time to be laying baby hairs or trying to make sure the lace blends. And with this wig, you don't have to have time. So I'm in love. Wow, and this color is just everything. Okay, that was it. That's the review, that's the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys let me know how you feel about this wig. Do you already own it? If you already own this wig, let me know how it's holding up, because sometimes wigs look like really good in the beginning and then they just kind of like go downhill after a day or two. So let me know. Yes, bitch, I'm gonna sleep in this bitch and I'm gonna let you guys know how that works out. This hair is phenomenal. It doesn't really, I don't like it with this lipstick, but okay. Thanks, you guys.